What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're going to be going over our custom air intake manifold cover, man. It should look pretty awesome. We're going to show y'all here in a minute. And if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that post notification bell. That way you know every time we drop new videos. And we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, now that we got that out the way, check this out. Ain't that clean? Got the LSX cut out. Let's set that on there. This cover is made by Special Ops Motorsports. Y'all can go check them out. They're not sponsoring me or nothing, but it looks like good quality, so let's check it on out. Let's check it on out. We're gonna see how it's gonna look. Guys, we've been super busy on the 72, man. We've been covering wires and everything. Matter of fact, I gotta finish covering this wire because that's gonna be under here, and then the rest of them I can get to. But just to show y'all real quick how it's gonna look. It's gonna be like that right there, bolt hole lined up. Don't that look nice? Don't that look nice? It looks super nice, guys. So it's coming together. It's coming together. We just gotta get this transmission situation done, and then we're off for paint and body work. So next video, I don't know yet. But we're gonna get it bolted on there so we can show y'all how it's gonna look. Alright, let me get this map sensor wire situated. Because once we get that on there, we ain't gonna be able to get to it. Every time we record, it'll be an airplane flying over. So we're gonna run this through there like that. Get everything all nice and neat. And then it'll go like that. This is the third video of the day. So guys, we grinding hard, man. Grinding hard for you guys. Alright, got that done. We'll plug him up. Y'all don't need to see that. Y'all already seen that in the other video. So I'm just plugging it back up. We just hiding the wire. Well, covering the wire. It'll plug back up. God dang it. Alright, we got that plugged up. Now we're gonna run some zip ties, try to keep this looking all nice and neat. I guess I'll worry about that later. But yeah, we'll get it all zip tied up. That'll be right there. And we'll have this one right there, turn out the way. We don't want it getting caught in the pulley, so we're gonna have to go up a little bit higher. Hopefully it don't get caught in there. I really want it under. Are you showing them, or are you just flopping the camera around?
Shauna.
Alright. Like that. We'll cut that one off. Let me put one more. Alright, looks good. That should be good enough. I don't want it too tight, like squeezing on the wires. So that's good. Now, yeah, we can cover all the other wires up later, I think. Yeah, so this was gonna be to the fan, so we don't need to cover that up. We gotta get that out of there. We don't need that. Get that out of there. This one, that should be fine. All right, let's slap it on. Looks good. Alright, we gotta. I don't know how this goes on there, but. I guess you probably gotta drill your own holes or something. But that's gonna be cool. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, that's right. So we're gonna have to. Let's see if this fit. Oh yeah, it fits. And then you have two with the nuts on there. So what y'all think, guys? Y'all like the way it looks? There we go. Took forever to get that in there. I need to find my Allen wrench. Let me find the Allen wrench for this. Alright guys, it was a 4mm. So, get that snugged up. And I got one more surprise for y'all. And that'll be 4 videos in one day. I'm gonna spread it out though. I had to get some stuff done today. I've been upset, so I had to drag my butt on out here and get something done. You just want to snug it a little bit, not too much. All right.
Damn, Cam, this shit a vibe.
guys, we almost forgot to show y'all us putting this on, so it's gonna be kind of hard to measure, but we'll get it close as we can. Inch and a quarter. And that's gonna be hard to measure, guys. You think it looks straight, brother? I think it looks pretty straight. That's gonna be hard to measure that. I can, but I just ain't really got time. That's good right there. Is that straight? Yeah, that's pretty straight. And I moved it. What y'all think? Pretty straight?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's pretty straight. I almost messed up. I went through quick. All right, let's see. Should still line up right. Looks okay. Got it. There we go. I don't have the right wrench for this, but y'all get the idea. I gotta find the wrench and then I'll tighten those up. But that's how it's gonna look. I like it. Looks good. Y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.